Hello and welcome to another tutorial here at the Piñata Club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful mermaid piñata, and this can be made as a pull string piñata, so it's perfect for younger kids. And we will be using a very easy technique to add a little bit of volume that will make the piñata look really professional, but it's really easy. You're going to learn how to make the candy door and how to add the pull string system, and to make things super simple for you, I'm going to give you a free template. And before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe so you will not miss out any of my future tutorials. So let's start with the list of materials. You will need the template. I'm going to leave you the link below. You're going to need crepe paper in a light blue, a medium blue, a light purple, a darker purple, and a peach or blush pink, but you can of course change it to any of the colors that you like. You will need a short string of rope. I'm using macrame rope. You will need packing tape or hot glue, scissors, a box cutter, some paper towels, and some plastic bags or bubble wrap, a cardboard box, and some lightweight cardboard. I'm using this pizza box. And lastly, if you're going to be making a pull string piñata, you will also need this kind of ribbon for the strings. And that's it, let's get started. And that's it, we are done. Look at her, she's so cute. I really love this technique because it's so easy to make, but the results are just stunning. Unfortunately, I didn't have a lot of candies, but I still managed to record a little demo. So let me show you how to fit it up. It's not really hard, you just open the little candy door and you insert the lollies. And then to release the candy, just take all the strings together and give it a good tug, and it will open and release the candy. And of course, this kind of pull string is for when an adult is the one that is going to be opening. But if you prefer the other type of pull strings where the kids are actually pulling it one by one, I have another tutorial for you. I will leave the link down below where I'm showing you how to use it. And that is all for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you get notifications for my next tutorials. See you for the next one.